Before we can start our topic for this video, I am Joel Camacho from Philippines. Glad to have you subscribe to my channel. Before we can start, let us read this Bible verse. Matthew 17 verses 20 to 21. He said to them, "Because of your little faith. For truly, I say to you, if you have faith like a grain of mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, 'Move from here to there,' and it will move, and nothing will be impossible for you." Disclaimer. Only educational and informational goals are served by this content. It is not meant to be a replacement for expert medical guidance, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have any questions about a medical problem, please seek medical advice. Never dismiss or put off getting competent medical advice because of what you saw in this video. Although we aim for 100% accuracy, mistakes can happen. As well as drugs. Treatment regimens and protocols are subject to evolution. Let's start about the God's gift medicinal plant number 1. Calendula officinalis. Also known pot marigold, common marigold, Ruddles, Mary's gold or Scotch marigold. Northern Mediterranean nations are the native home of the marigold, Calendula officinalis. Marigold has been used to treat wounds, ulcers, heat burns, and herpes zoster topically in addition to dermatitis. Calendula ointment can be used to lessen radiation-induced skin toxicity, according to research. Flavonoids, triterpene saponins, and carotenoids are found in marigold and have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and immunomodulating activities. An increase in glycoproteins and collagen was seen in wound areas treated with topical marigold in animal tests. Calendula has been reported to cause allergic contact dermatitis in rare occasions, however it is typically well tolerated. Since at least the 12th century, the calendula plant, Calendula officinalis, often known as the pot marigold, has been utilized for therapeutic purposes. Although calendula originated in the Mediterranean region, it is currently grown as an ornamental plant all over the world. It differs from the annual marigold plant, which is frequently planted in gardens. Calendula has a lot of flavonoids, which are plant-based antioxidants that guard against the harm that unstable chemicals called free radicals can do to cells. It appears that calendula fights bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. Calendula has been found to hasten the healing of wounds, probably by increasing the amount of blood and oxygen delivered to the wound site, which encourages the body to produce new tissue. Moreover, it helps with firmness and hydration of the skin. To heal burns, bruises, cuts, and the mild infections they produce, calendula plant dried petals are used in tinctures, ointments, and washes. Also, it has been demonstrated that calendula can aid in dermatitis or skin inflammation prevention in breast cancer patients receiving radiation treatment. Calendula tinctures, ointments, and washes are regularly applied to the skin to hasten the healing process and fight the minor infections that burns, bruises, and wounds can cause. Calendula cream can also be used to treat hemorrhoids. Calendula may speed wound healing by increasing blood flow to the wounded area and stimulating the creation of new tissue, according to studies on animals. There are no scientific studies assessing the efficacy of calendula in people, despite the fact that it is safe to use on the skin. Early research indicates that calendula may prevent dermatitis, or skin inflammation, in breast cancer patients receiving radiation therapy, while other studies have found little benefit. Diaper rash can also be treated safely and effectively with calendula. Children's ear infections are occasionally treated with calendula-infused ear drops. There are no negative effects, according to several scientific investigations. Calendula's ability to treat ear infections needs further investigation. See you to the next video for God's gift plant medicine. Thank you and God bless.